Hello students, you are studying the chapter 13 surface area and volume of class 9. Optional exercise, 3 questions are given here. Optional exercise, 3 questions. In this you are getting a cupboard which you want to paint in the two different. It is given a cupboard which is in the form of in front is given like this. Okay, you are getting this. So it has a two self in this. These all the things you want to color in the same color. Frontage all four walls except this inside of the cabinet you don't want to cover. It is given 85 centimeter. It is given 25 centimeter and it is given 110 centimeter. Thickness is given, thickness is given 5, both the side, all 5. So thickness is given here, 5 centimeter is the thickness, height, depth, breadth, 85, 110, 25. The thickness of the plank is 5 centimeter. The external faces are in the polished and the inner faces are to be painted. At the rate of polishing is polish 20 paise per centimeter square. It is a polish outer surface. And the paint is 10 paise per meter square. Paint is given 10 paisa per centimeter square. Your question, how much cost will be there? Painting surface of the both. So first you find out TSA of this outer TSA. L is given 110. Breadth is given, this is length 85 and depth is given. It is given that height is given. It is height. They are saying it is height, breadth and the here length is and breadth means depth is given. How much? 25. Back side there is a wall. So TSA of the area for polish. Area for polish will be TSA of this total minus. What will you get this portion? These 3 portions you minus. It is suppose it is X. How will you get the X? This area and this will be Y. So 1, 2, 3. 3x into y, it is a rectangular portion front you subtract. But what is the x? X is total height is 110 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 5, 5 thickness upon 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. 5 4 are 20, 110 minus 20 by 3. That is 90 by 3, 30. What is y? Y is total 85. Y is 85. So 85 minus 85. There is a y. Y is this 85 minus 2 into 5. Thickness 5 centimeter here, 5 centimeter here. 5, 5, 5, 5. 4 times subtract. Then you will get 3 blank portion. 1/3 is this. So 85 minus 10 you will get the 75. So you will put these two values here and you will get the area for polish. TSA, what TSA you will apply here? For this you will write 2 capital L, LB plus BH plus HL. Total minus 2 into X. 3 into 3 cabinets are there. 3x into y. What answer you will get? Cost, for the cost what will you get? Rate. That is the cost of polish. Cost of polish will be, cost of polish. What is the area of polish you are calculating? Suppose it is A. So A multiplied by polish rate is 20 paise, so 20 upon 100 you change, you will get in the rupees. Area for paint. Area for paint. Area for paint you are getting the A dash. Suppose A dash is equal to 3 cabinets. X is already in front wall, you don't know. TSA minus front. TSA minus XY. Like here. How many XY? 1, 2, the 1 for 1. And 3 times of this. So TSA, suppose this inside depth Z. It is given 5 centimeter you left here. So Z is equal to 25 minus 5. 20 centimeter. It is the depth of the cabinet. 25 centimeter. So area of paint is equal to twice of TSA of cabinet minus X into Y. It is for 1. Area for paint of 1 cabinet. So this is 3 times. How many cabinets are there? It will be 3 times. So your answer will be 3 TSA XY 2 into XY plus YZ plus ZX. Inside also is 2 by front side only X minus XY. You will write down 3XY, 3 cabinets, 1 cabinet TSA minus front XY. You will get the 1 cabinet area for paint and multiply by 3, you will get the total. So A dash you will get here. So cost of A dash will be A dash multiply 10 upon 100. You will get the rupees, your answer. Directly you will get the answer of this. Now question number 2. In the question number 2 it is given, there is a show lamps. It is optional question is given. There is a show lamp. So lamp is given in the cylindrical part by the globe. You are getting a like this. Here is this wall and this is covering this sphere. Like this you are getting question number 2. Question number 2, there are a one front wall of a diameter of the sphere. Sphere diameter is given 21 centimeters. So sphere radius will be 21 by 2 centimeters. And the sphere is placed on a cylinder. If you are seeing here 21 centimeter, 8 such spheres. How many such spheres? There are number is given 8. And it is placed on a by wooden sphere, diameter are placed on a small support painted and are be painted. You want to paint it. Each support of a cylinder of radius 1.5. The radius of the cylinder is 1.5 centimeter. And height is 7 centimeter. This height is given 7 centimeter. Cylindrical part. Find the cost and 1 point height and the painted black. One is silver. This will be silver and it is black. Q1. There are both are 8. So your question is given. Find the cost of painting required silver. Silver rate is given rupees 25 paise per centimeter square. 25 paise per centimeter square. And the black paint is given 5 paise per centimeter square. It is given 5 paise per centimeter square. and you want to find the cost of paint required for this. Very simple. So first you find out, you see that if you are putting anything like this, here you are putting, it means what is there? The top of this will be covering this, and the bottom of this cylinder is also by the wall. So only CSA of the cylinder will be black, and area for silver paint is equal to total area. Total area, how many? First you write 8. How many spheres are? 8 multiplied by volume of one sphere minus top of cylinder. So what will you get? 8 multiply 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus pi small r square. You will get the area in centimeter square. You will get the area in centimeter square. Then the cost of silver painting will be this volume of silver multiply by 25 upon 100. You will get the answer in rupees. You apply for this cylinder. Area for black color. Total area for black color. 8 multiplied by CSA of cylinder. That is not, one more thing is wrong here. 4 by 3 is not there. Why? So area you want, not volume. Area. Here 4 by 3 will be not there. You will multiply the area for cylinder. So 4 pi capital R square. Here area for silver you will write down. Area for silver, not volume. You want to outer side area 4 pi, not 4 by 3. 4 pi R square minus pi R square. It is one cylinder multiplied by this. This top will be subtracted here and here, it will not print. 8 into CSA, 8 multiplied by 2 pi small rh. Small r is the radius. You will get your answer in centimeter square. So the cost is equal to area for black multiplied by 5 upon 100. You will get in the rupees. Last question of this chapter is based on the decrease and increase. Calculation part you will do question number 3. Last part of this question chapter is given. The diameter of a sphere is decreased by 25%. Your question number 3. First diameter you are taking 2r, then surface area will be 4 pi r square. Now new diameter is equal to diameter minus 25% of d. So what are you getting? D minus d by 4. 25% means 25 upon 100. 25% decrease. Then what percent the CSA of the surface area? CSA of the area of sphere means 4 pi r square. So first you find what is the new diameter. 4d minus d upon 4 gives you 25 upon 100 will be 1 by 4, 3d by 4. That is, therefore new radius is equal to half of the new diameter. That is, new radius Rn you will take half into 3d by 4. So that is 3d upon 8. What are you getting? 3d upon 8. What is d? And you can write 3 into 2r upon 8. 2 4 the 8. So 3r by 4 is the new radius. New surface area. New surface area is equal to surface area, that is 4 pi new radius square. That will be new surface area A new. Surface area new, surface area old. 4 pi, so what is the new radius? 3r by 4. 3r by 4 square, you will get 4 pi 9r square by 16. It is the new surface area. 4 4 ja 16. So 9 pi r square by 4, it is the new surface area. What is decrease? Decrease is equal to surface area minus new surface area. Pi r square minus 9 pi r square by 16. 9 pi r square by 4, not 16. What will you get here? 4. Take LCM. 4 pi r square. 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16. So you will get 4 pi r square. 4 here. 4 pi r square. 4 4 is 16 pi r square minus 9 pi r square by 4. What are you getting? 7 pi r square by 4. It is decrease. Decrease in area. Now percent decrease is decrease upon surface area into 100. What is the decrease? 7 pi r square by 4 whole upon pi r square multiply by 100. Pi r square cancel. 7 into 100 by 4 gives you 700 by 4, and then you are getting decrease in area 4 pi r square here. 4 pi r square 1. I have written wrong. 4 pi r square 4 4 is 16. What are you getting? 4 into 4 here you are getting. Pi r square cancel. 16 4 is 700. You divide by 16. R you simplify. 2 8 is 16. 2 3 is 6. 2 5 is 350. 350 by 8. Odd 4 is. So you will get 175. 175 you divide by 4. 175 divided by 4. 4 4 is 16. 4 3 is 12. 4 7 is 4 5. So you are getting 43.75% the surface area will be decreased. Okay. So it is over. That's all. Your chapter is over. Thank you.